happen.
Do it again.
Our guest doesn't want to be on camera.
Do it again.
Robbie, you did it. Can you do it again? It'll go in when you pull it back. It doesn't need to go in. You can just pull it back and it'll go in. Yeah, that's the first thing that I figured too. It'll just go in when you pull it back. It's self-loading. No?
No.
No? Fire it. Pop that sucker. No, that doesn't. No, that won't work.
No, Robbie.
That'll break it.
Go like this.
You might get it when he picks it up. Well, okay.
Do what Daddy did. What did Daddy do with that? Is that what Daddy did?
You gotta push it quick.
Like, push it.
There it goes. Come on, it'll pop. It'll pop. Try it again. Try it again. It'll pop.
You can do it.
You can make it pop. You did it before. You can make it pop. It's got to go fast. Go fast. Did I take your mouth off of it? It'll go better if it goes fast.
Robbie, bring it down.
Do you want to go to the coffee shop and see Suni?
Do you guys still go on the weekends?
Yeah, we still go on the weekends. We go on Sundays.
Now, out of your mouth, you're going to hurt your tongue. You're going to snap your tongue in there.
Probably tastes good, though. Alright, let it fire. Can you fire it? You don't want to fire it. Alright, never mind, Mr. Poos. You're only going to do it when you're off camera, huh? Well, almost. Almost. Well, are you trying to lube it up so it'll go faster? Is that what you think? Will that go faster if you lick it? Almost. Give it a shot. Oh, there we go.